Hello, in front of me I have got WUCHANG. In this video I'll show you how to level up. Take a look at the top right corner of the screen. Right there you can find your essence. While fighting, you'll gain this essence. Once you've got enough essence, find worship place. Select Impetus repository and now press touch panel on your controller or G button to refine Red Mercury Essence. Thanks to this, you will level up. You can see your current level in the top left corner of the screen. Now with the Red Mercury Essence, you can increase your level and skills. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.